Hi guys, I'm back with my nail fantasy and I'm happy that you are here as well. Let's have fun with our nails, and today we're gonna look at some new Madam Glam Gel Polishes. Today we're gonna do swatches for those two polishes, and if you wanna see the details and swatches on my natural nail, just stay tuned. Catherine from Madam Glam was so kind to send me some products again for review. Thank you so much, Catherine. I also have a 30% discount code for you. I'm gonna pop that up and gonna put that in the description box below, as well as the direct links to these products. Today we're gonna look at these two, but I'm gonna put the other two as well, just in case. So please check out the video description. Just so that you know what's coming up in the next video. This is gonna be the Virgin Colada, which is a gorgeous glitter, perfect for spring and for summertime. And we'll have holographic powder, and this is a dream come true, so stay tuned to my channel for that video coming up. And today we're gonna look at these two, a regular gel cream polish, purplish blue, gorgeous color, and it's aptly named Kind of Wonderful. Very pretty, look at that. And I'm gonna do my swatches for you on my natural nails. Here, look how pretty that is. And we have the other one, that's a chameleon gel polish in gray, also a cream. And this is gonna go from a light gray to a darker gray. And we're gonna do that as well. Look how pretty that looks. And we'll start with the swatches right away. So, as always,
I'm gonna speed up the video while I do these.
You can go grab something to drink, sit back, relax, and I'll see you afterwards. guys, I'm back. You could see all the swatches went nicely. They were really fully opaque in 2 coats. You could get away with one with the kind of wonderful, but I use really thin coats, so not to get too many streaks or bubbles or anything, and they went on really nice. You can also get away without a top coat here for the kind of wonderful because it's very high gloss, and I love this color for spring. It's just so beautiful, perfect. And with the chameleon gel polish here, the color change polish, I was a little concerned first that it might be from gray to gray. Yeah, a little boring, but it's not. I mean, when they are warm, they have this classy and chic, very light gray color here, which is also pretty for spring. And when they go cold, then they get this darker gray, still very pretty, very nice. You could see me playing around with this, so I really enjoyed that one as well. And here also 2 coats and a non-wipe top coat on that. I will put some swatch photos at the end of the video as usual, so if you want to check those out, and let me know if you have any Madame Glam polishes, what you think of them. I really think they are very high quality. They are 5-free and cruelty-free. They don't smell bad. If you're not exactly over your nails with your nose, you don't smell them at all. That's also something I really like, if they don't smell too chemical. I really like the quality of these polishes. And again, my discount code for 30% off if you want to buy something is in the description box below. That was it for today. If you have any further questions, just leave them in the comments box below. If you enjoyed the video, I would be happy if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. At the end, there will be a bubble with my picture popping up. Just click on that. Doesn't cost you anything, and you will not miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are. And ta-ta, till next time.